For loop in Python. So this is an array. We iterate over this array using for loop. This is how we do it. For I in array, and we can process the I. Let's look at the output. See, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in addition to iterating over arrays, we can iterate over ranges, range of 6. So this range 6 will return an array. Let's see what we get. See, we got 0, 1, 2, 5. So if we got 6, it's 0 to 5, excluding 6. So for contains, we can break out of the for loop. For example, let's say if I equal to 3, then we stop printing. Okay, this guy will print only until 0, 1, 2, 3. That's it. And for or loops in Python has a special else block, which is kind of unique to Python. So what does it mean, else? What does it means is that we will go into else block once we iterate over all the elements in the array. In any case, if we break out of this, we will not go into for else block. So that's what it means. So in this one, in this block, we come out of the loop in between. So until 3, we don't do 4 and 5. So we don't go into else block. So we don't go. So let's say if we remove this, and if we iterate over the array completely, so then we go into the for loop. Yes,